boys, welcome back to another video. So if you guys noticed, we're not in the garage, we're actually in Patrick's garage, and this fool ended up meeting a couple people and went to the runs the other day.
They're gonna do the run?
If you guys haven't seen the video, down in the description I'll put the link to it. But we're gonna go meet up with some of his homies that he just like made friends with and shit like that. This fool drives like a GTI, and it'll be like a really cool race to see the GTI versus the Z4. Probably pushing around about the same power, so it's gonna be an interesting race. It'll be pretty sick. Alex, you ready to lose or what? I got 50 bucks on the GTI though. And then we were supposed to meet him up at 5, but Patrick ended up like getting his sway bar to fix his coils, which I'm gonna drop the video pretty soon, but he ended up wanting to take his car and stuff. But we're literally just waiting for him so we can go head out to the outskirts of Mexico and get some runs in. So we were about to leave. I took a cool ass minute trying to find my phone because I lost it. And then literally the first turn we take, hopefully the cars will be cool, but literally the first turn we take, Patrick's wheel comes off, like bruh.
20 minutes later.
Here it is, man of the hour. So that fool's gonna race the Z4, which is gonna be pretty sick. So like the last clip, you saw how Patrick's wheel came off. He's like, he ended up taking the car back home, and then after like he gets home and stuff like that, Alex is gonna take him and come in with the Z4. You know how my dad works for Ford? Yeah. I think this is the same GTI that he was selling. Yeah, that's over there. I was looking at it for a cool ass minute. I'm like, damn, man, I should probably cop because I need like another like a car, but it's sick. Hey, what happened to that Mustang? It's sick, it's sick. Alright boys, so I had my XHP. What is that? You're about to flash? Yes. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna have the GTI, which we really don't know what it has. I may have downpipes, it may have a tune, I really don't know. And we're gonna have this homie right here, with the 335, race him. It's gonna be a roll, so it might be kind of cool. So before I get my runs in with those fools, please turn on your ignition. Alright. I'm trying to set up my XHP because I put the torque too aggressive, so the car kind of like it gives out like halfway through. So I definitely don't want that, especially when I'm doing runs. Definitely don't want to get that gap. So I'm trying to tune it back to the original torque levels. So it should be cool. Alright, so while this guy's tuning, let me leave the keys here, that's why I turned off. While this guy's tuning, they're gonna do the roll race, so it's gonna be pretty sick. Who do you guys think is gonna win? I really don't know what he has, but the GTI or the 335? The 335 is full bolt-ons. I want to say he's full bolt-ons, but I'm not too sure. Who do you guys think is gonna win? Comment down below. Oh! Jeez, that wasn't a complete gap, but that was like super close. Like stupid close. He probably beat him maybe by a car like max, but that's kind of crazy. Like that GTI, like you got balls, bro. I feel like Alex is gonna get gapped big time. Alex has no idea what he's like trying to get into. Sheesh. Yeah, Alex, I'm sorry, but that GTI is way too quick, bro. You took that L. All right, so Alex just pulled up. I'm not gonna tell him anything on how the race went in. I want to see his face when that fool gets gapped. It's gonna be so funny. I like the little verbal shit it does.
One wheel wheel?
Patrick, you straight would have got everybody here. That us.
I would probably have the 2x differential.
How many you have for burnout?
Get that burnout. Good for you too.
Hey Alex, I'm gonna edit this out. No.
I got you.
That was a foul.
Oh, they have the red line. What the fuck?
That's fucking funny. Oh shit. Nah, the GTI took it at the end. The GTI took it at the end. Yeah. He's on them, but the GTI still took it. That was crazy.
GTI in
Hey,
front.
watch out. Oh,
Hey, I got
GTI. I think GTI. Oh, Z4? What? What the fuck? What? That's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey, does that mean you beat him? Bro. Yeah, I might get it. I called you.
Bro, that's crazy. Alex is slow as shit. Roll?
He wants to do a roll.
The last clip you guys saw my car against this, dude, that's stupid crazy. He was literally like right there next to me. That's crazy. This fool has obviously M54, obviously he has the full bolt-ons and everything. He has JB4 on it, which, like, if you think about it, stock turbos, JB4, it's nothing too crazy. And I've spent so much money on my M55, it's just like, it's stupid, right? But keep in mind, I do have like a really low, like, anyway, so I have really low like boost, right? I'm only running 16 psi. I'm running revision 1 just because revision 2, when I step on it, it's still not perfect. So I'm waiting for revision 3. Maybe they like fix that error and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm only running 16 psi. But even at 16 psi with stage 2 turbos that I spent $4 grand on, like, I was expecting like a cool ass gap, but this fool kept up with me. Like, I'm gonna cop one for sure one day, but that's just crazy. But the car did good. We were gonna do a 20 roll. We took off in first gear. My car just launched turbo like instant, but then when I shifted to second, it didn't want to shift, and just like a cloud of smoke came out, which is kind of like alarming. So I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit with the hood popped up, and then Alex over here is gonna race stock 335. See who got it.
Okay, just honk it out.
The 335 got it. I don't know if you guys can tell, I think it's too far away, but the 335 got it for sure.
Yeah,
Z4's on him though.
Yeah,
He's on him. Hey, Axel said he got you. Oh. Cool. Hey, buddy. Hey, he's not using his car though.
I know, Eric.
Oh.
Tell him let me do it myself.
It's too quick. How fast are you, Alex?
I'm making like 1,000 once I get walked.
Is that wastegate, bro?
You can, bro. You can. It comes out right now.
My car just blows up. I low-key told Axel. So you're buying me new tires? Huh?
All the way over here.
Hold up here.
Alright, so this is gonna be a good lineup. The E90 versus the GTI.
Perfect. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Perfect.
I think it's catching up, but I don't think it's past it yet.
Jesus, line him up.
Jeez.
Oh, watch out. Back him.
All right then. Oh, he took off now. Alright boys, you guys saw. Hey Brian. Apparently that motherfucker was like, damn, he's fast. Apparently that motherfucker was like, damn, he's fucking fast or something like that. What's your temps at?
Yeah.
Hey, your temps are pretty good. Yeah. Fuel cut all the way through. That's the boy. I feel like GTI might be.
I think the GTI took it. That's how scary. Fuck no. Yeah.
Damn.
Straight playing with it. Yeah, Alex took some wins, Alex took some L's, Axel took L's. Surprisingly, I didn't lose at all today. Surprisingly, I guess that's good.
What do you mean? I took wins.
My car might have fucked up. I'll check out all the engine lines and stuff. Hugo took all the wins.
Hey, I took all the wins, bro.
Yeah, Patrick.
Yeah, don't worry, your wheel broke off again.
Yeah, bro. Hey, bro. They're like shit.
Alright, fool. Later. Thank you, Alex, for coming out. Later, Hugo. Thank you for coming out, bro. Bye, Axel. You stay outside. Bye, Patrick.
Later, Brian. See, I got all the connects. I got all the connects. Whoever wants to go get racing.
One more time.
For my vlog now.
His name's N54. Follow.
I'll follow him. Alright, boys. Time to go home. Even though I'm home. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go edit this video and go ahead and post it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.